If you want to make all the money in the world, it is right now. Hey, what's up guys? Let's do it like this. Hey, what's up guys? And we're back. Long time no see, but I've been working very hard. Today, as you can see by the title, we are gonna talk about one product pages and general store. Perhaps I'm gonna hit that really quick because I have talked about what I would suggest you to do. But my views and what I've just learned over the past month have changed a bit. So it's going to be very exciting to talk about this topic. And it's something that you can implement from day one, from today. So we're going to go head back in and we're going to grab the balls by the balls, man. Hey guys. And we're back inside. Outside I really quick just went on what I want to talk about. And again, you can see it on the title. I'm basically just going to talk about one product pages, one product stores, really. What got me inspired to this is that a couple of months ago I made a video saying I encourage you to start with the general store. I have one myself, and then throughout the last couple of months I've built a couple one product stores because I've read some articles, I've read about some stories that have went into success and why it have been success, and then I've read books and other articles. Well, I need to read more books, but about simplicity. That simply does it. Keep it as simple as you possibly can. Because I find when you're actually building a store, you are building this business, you're trying to make it as hard for yourself as possible. You're trying to make it as difficult. Where the answer really lies in making it simple. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you is that right now I encourage you to pretty much just focus on one product stores. The reason why, when you have one product store, you get an ad and etc., you get traffic onto your store, they either have two options. They can either buy or they can leave. That's it. From the get-go, they are interested in the product because they click to your site. So now when they get to the site, they're not going to be confused by other products, by the bar up there being filled up with, you have women's, you have men's, kids, toys, etc. No, there's nothing. There's literally only a product page. So they know, okay, I can either buy or I can leave. It's that simple, and believe me, that will make your conversion rate go up. Now what you can do once you find out that your product is winning, you actually getting sales, then you can upsell it with, I will say, just one product. An example could be if you are selling ski goggles, which I think I'm gonna do this next couple of months. So now, huge free tip for you guys. Like, if you're watching this, you're one of the few watching my videos, go ahead and do that right now. Let me give you an example. So let's say you are selling, I actually got my iPad with me right here. So you're not going to sell an iPad, but let's say you're selling a cover to an iPad. That cover is going good. Well, then you can upsell it with something that could be a cleaning cloth that could clean this specific cover you have, or the screen on your iPad. So you get what I'm saying, but I wouldn't have more than two products, but one product. Once it goes good, you can perhaps upsell it with one. Before creating that, I will say you need to do a ton of product research, if needed. Because I will say a one product store is going to be a store that's perfect for trends, or just just if you find a product that doesn't have to be really like trending very big, but just selling. Like you can really see selling, and it's a good product. Because where the idea with general stores, and why I think you should still have a general store. A general store is if you are completely newbie, like if you are completely new to the game, because then what you will learn with the general store is you will be able to test different products and find the one you money with that's winning for you, so you don't have to put up money every time you're setting up a new store. Second, you're just going to learn everything. You're going to learn how a Shopify store works. You're going to learn how to deal with customer service. You're going to learn how to use Facebook ads, Instagram, influencers, etc. So in the learning phase, a general store is perfect. And also as you get better and better, and perhaps a pro, if you can say that, a general store is still great to use, sorry my language, because you can still test a lot of different products. So general store is just pretty much perfect for testing. Now, for example, we are going into the last quarter of the year, which is the best quarter ever. So if you want to take opportunity of Shopify, of dropshipping, of your business, of your entrepreneurial dreams and goals and career, it is right now. And don't worry, I will put out a video this week where I will help you towards what to do, like what shall you actually do. But again, I just want to finish off here. Go in, do research what's going to sell within the next 3 to 4 months. We got Halloween, okay, we got Thanksgiving, we got Black Friday, we got Christmas, skiing. Once you find a product that you know and you can see on Google Trends, okay, this is about to sell no matter what. That's why it's perfect to make a one product store, because you know you can sell it and people will much rather buy it from you if it's only on a one, if it's as simple as possible, and they can either leave or buy, and they can see that's the only thing you're selling. You're not selling a bunch of other crap. Okay, that was a lot to take in. But that's pretty much my take. I'm super excited for the next 3.5 months. I'm probably gonna create 3 to 4 stores besides the ones I already have. My Instagram is gonna be down below, so if you have any questions about anything I've mentioned in this video, or just the coming quarter ahead of us, the next 3-4 months, DM me, shoot me a DM. I'll get back to you as fast as possible. So go out there, just do the product research, and once you find a product that you can see is already selling, and better yet, it's gonna sell massively in the next 2-3 months, well, then create one product store with only one product page. That's it. It's the only thing they are landing on. Okay. Then you're just gonna fucking max out and kill the product description, the ad copy, and everything. Because now there's not much you're gonna focus on. You have one product page. You have one product. That's it. So might as well put 110% in every little thing about their product, which is also gonna increase the conversion rate. So it's a win-win situation. Guys, I think that's everything I have right now, and I hope you are excited as well, and that you are gonna make more money you have ever done. If that's one sale or if that's 100,000 sales, that depends on you and where you're at right now. But I believe you. Below again, there's my Instagram. You can always go in there, follow me, I'll follow back, DM me, whatever. I want to create a small community, and we have one already, so I'm super excited about that. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Please like, comment, dislike, whatever, and yeah, please do subscribe if you want to. So yeah, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.